There it is, RG, you see it?
Okay, here we are. There's the Stratosphere. We're on Las Vegas Boulevard.
See the pointy, RG? Red point.
There it is.
There's the
Is that
Stratosphere.
it? No, that's not it.
Yeah, that's a Stratosphere, honey.
No, the wedding chapel.
Wow.
There it is, little white wedding chapel.
There we get married.
Yep. And there's the Stratosphere. It's a beautiful view from the we went there last time. Now we're entering the main part of the boulevard. This is North Vegas.
Yeah.
There's another wedding chapel. They're everywhere. 107, RJ, look.
It's so hot.
It is, it feels like an oven.
Oh, let's go.
That's right. Oh, this is that store up here that's biggest souvenir shop
This is close,
in the world.
closer to the Stratosphere.
Oh, yeah, that's right, that's right. We'll find a hotel and we'll find some meat. But this is the city that never sleeps. Passing the Stratosphere right now, right?
Yeah, we're here. There at Stratosphere is so high.
There you go. Stratosphere.
Look at the.
Yeah, I got that rope. People will come down. That's pretty scary. They climb down that rope, or they fall down the rope. Still crowded on Sunday night. We stayed at the Venetian, right?
Yeah.
It's up here in the ways. On our honeymoon. It's up here.
Downtown Las Vegas. We're here in downtown Las Vegas.
Sunday night. It was so crowded. 108 degrees, man.
Wow,
I think
so
the car's
hot.
overheating. I don't think that's right. It feels like an oven. Oh, here's the souvenir shop. The world's
Oh,
largest
here.
gift shop. World's largest gift shop. Very big, have everything.
Yeah.
And here we are. big Hilton hotel there. Wow, they're still building this place.
Yeah.
80% are going in right there. I don't know when they're going to finish it up. It's like the only land left on the strip. It's full up. Good. Getting into the highway right now. 110 now.
Wow. So hot now. Here's the
The car's overheating. That's all.
taller buildings there.
Full of concrete and stuff makes it feel hot.
Yeah, I have no air.
Building with no breeze. 110, OJ, look. 110.
But that's circles. Circles.
Oh, circus.
There's circles.
That's cheap there. You might have to stay there on the way back. See, you can get a basic room for $23.
Yeah.
Oh, here's another area where they're building.
Yeah. Other stop. Traffic light. Red light, RJ.
It's like a crosswalk, isn't it? Strange. They have indoor skydiving over here. It's like a big fan, kind of
Yeah.
makes it feel like you're skydiving. There it is, Treasure Island, Encore, and then there's the Venetian where we stayed.
Yeah.
We were up with like the 20th or 30th floor with a tremendous view.
Yeah. That's so expensive though.
That was right. We had TV in the bathroom.
Very nice. Even
Have jacuzzi tub,
the bathroom.
TV in the bedroom, TV in the living room. Yeah, that's one bedroom. There she is. Venetian next to Palazzo.
There.
RJ's ready for the hotel. Yeah, it's gone. We're getting there. Look for Dean Martin Boulevard.
Okay.
Dean Martin Boulevard. It's somewhere over there.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
it's not here yet, but that's where
Not yet,
that's
not
where the
yet.
hotel is. Yeah. Why, you want to go to the hotel? Okay. RJ wants to get out.
Going there, RJ.
Oh, there's the Palazzo. 111.
Yep. Fashion
we
show.
milked at 130.
Fountain, honey.
Oh, yeah, it's fountains and everything.
Yep.
Look at that fountain.
Yeah.
The Palazzo. The Venetian entrance right over here.
Yeah, nice the Venetian.
It's like valet parking.
Yeah.
At the time, had a rental car.
But so much money.
Yeah, expensive. But you don't go there all the time.
Yeah, only.
Occasional.
Yeah.
Can't. Look.
See,
Told you.
stop, RJ.
Not gonna go to the hotel.
See, it's traffic, RJ.
You tired, RJ? You wanna go to bed? Huh? We'll go back to the hotel. We'll go to sleep. No? Okay. Got it? The camera's getting on.
Yes, hot.
And we can see the Venetian a little closer up now. This is the main part of the strip. This is where everything's happening. You can see the pirate ship?
There.
Off here on the right? Right there.
Yeah, have I
The
showed
little
that
people,
before?
they would show every half an hour or so.
Yeah.
Pirate ship. Treasure Island. And then we have the Mirage.
There's the Mirage.
We stayed there.
There's the Venetian.
Daddy, hey Daddy,
Yeah.
I want you to find the hotel now.
Okay, look for Dean Martin Boulevard.
Yeah, you need to find it.
Look.
There.
Oh, look at that.
So old. Pretty nice, the building look.
Venetian just goes.
Venetian.
It's everywhere. It's must be
Yep.
1,000 rooms, multiple buildings, and it's even like tied together with the Plaza.
And have there the Mirage.
Thousands. There's got to be thousands of rooms.
Oh, Morgan.
There's the entrance of Mirage. The Mirage.
Right there.
Yeah.
Oh, and there's Caesar's Palace up there. Another famous place to go.
Yeah.
They used to have a buffet, a brunch on Sundays.
Wow.
Yeah, I used to go to that. This was a long time ago. And it was fairly cheap. Like $12. All you can eat was first class. They don't have it anymore. They don't do it anymore. I guess they lost money.
So hot na may
Yeah. Camera?
camera.
There it is. Even the Mirage is everywhere. Caesar's Palace. Look at the crowds over there on the right, looking at the waterfall.
Yeah.
They have a light show with the fountains.
Yeah, the volcano up there.
They're still
honey.
playing the Beatles here, look.
There's
The
the
Mirage.
volcano, honey.
Yeah, the volcano, yeah. That's right. Here's the Mirage. They still have the Beatles show.
Yeah.
It's been there forever. Caesar's Palace also has a big water fountain area. Look at all the people walking.
Yeah. Saison Palace.
Small casinos all along here. Big casinos. How do you see, RJ? Oh, it's 1:14, RJ.
Wow, so hot now.
1:14. We melt at 1:30. It's hot.
Planet Hollywood, there is.
Is that it? Wow. Oh, look, there's the Eiffel Tower up there. Look for the street signs. Oh, that's Caesar's Palace Road. Should be coming up to Dean Martin Boulevard soon. Caesar's Palace.
Flamingo, there.
Flamingo. The hotel we stayed in last time was about a mile left from the Flamingo.
Yeah.
Hotel now.
Okay, we're going to the hotel.
Yeah, we go, RJ.
Yep.
Flamingo.
There's a bridge. We walked across that bridge.
Yeah.
It's hot. People are in shorty shorts,
Yeah.
t-shirts. 115.
Wow. So hot now.
What's the name of this road? Flamingo Road.
Ballets.